Everyone, I'll tell you how to make purple lychee mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to fill the glass with ice cube. Then you have to pour 30 ml of lime juice, fresh lime juice. Then you have to pour 240 ml of lychee juice. This is the 2-layer base mocktail. Then you have to pour 15 ml of coconut syrups. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well. Then you have to take any type of fancy glass and you have to pour all the mixing ingredients into the fancy glass. You have to add some more ice cube for the layer. Then only the layer will be produced. Then you have to take another glass and pour 10 ml of blue Curacao syrups, and you have to pour 15 ml of grenadine syrups, and then you have to pour that 240 to 300 ml of soda. Then the purple color will be produced, prepared. Then you have to pour the mixing ingredients on top of the glass. See how that 2-layer fancy mocktail is ready. You can try. Then you have to garnish the mocktail with watermelon slices and mint, spring, and you can garnish with any other thing also if you are having. See how that 2 fancy color mocktail is ready. You can try. You can use small glass also. Already I am using that big glass. If you use, see the fancy mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.